Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're making restaurant style hash browns. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make restaurant style hash browns. They're really simple. We're going to shred up the potatoes ourselves, and after this process you can freeze them in a big batch, that way you can fry them up anytime you want. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need for this. Now for these hash browns, all we're going to need is some potatoes, washed and peeled, some oil, some butter, and salt and pepper. The first thing we're going to want to do is peel our potatoes. Get all this skin off. Now that our potatoes are peeled, we want to grate these right into some water. The water is going to prevent the potatoes from oxidizing. So let's get all these grated up and then on to the next step. Now this bubbly, milky lookingness that you get from the potatoes is the starch. We want to wash this off until the water runs clear. So let's do that. The reason we want to wash all that starch off is because this is why they usually stick to a pan and they don't get that crispy. So now we're going to drain these off and we're going to let them dry for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, to dry these out, we have a dish here, and we're going to sprinkle out the hash browns, spread them out into a nice even layer. We want to squeeze out as much moisture as we can from it. Make sure you're using a clean paper towel or dish towel. And we're just going to want to let these dry just for a couple minutes, 5 minutes tops. The hash browns are dry, and now this is the part where you can freeze them just like this for about an hour till they are frozen solid, and then you can bag them up and save them for later use. But we are actually just going to cook ours up today. Now on a medium-high heat, we want to heat up a few tablespoons of our oil. Don't be afraid to use the oil. We're going to also add some butter into it as well. Once this butter gets melted, is when we're going to cook up the hash browns. The oil is nice and hot. We're going to go in with the hash browns. Spread this out into a nice even layer, just like so. Now we're going to cover these and let them cook for 5 minutes. Don't lift the lid. As you can see, they're nice and crispy around the edges. Now let's season these up. Some pepper, some salt. Gonna give them a flip. We're gonna cover and let cook for about 2 more minutes. And they're done. I'm ready to eat. Oh, those are amazing. They're really good. Nice and crispy on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside. Perfect side to any breakfast. Now you can get really creative with this. You can add cheese, sauteed mushrooms, onions, bacons, peppers, sausage gravy. Anything you really want. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything that you'd like us to cook, go ahead and comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram and Pinterest at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.